I hope that you all had a wonderful Wednesday. I am home from work after a 12-hour shift, and it's time to get that Greninja. Come on now, Twilight. Boom. Come on, Greninja. I know you're in there, buddy. Come on out and play. We are about we're about 30 subs from the 500 sub giveaway. I've already got a stack of cards that I'm giving away, and we're just going to keep adding. So subscribe if you want to get in that. If you like Pokemon and doggies. We got Basic Energy, Chimchar, Whirlipede, Crawdont, Farfetch'd, Lucky Helmet, Mightyena, Reveroom, Iron Leaves Reverse, Skarmory Reverse, Santa Snitcha, you frickin' snitch. No one likes a snitch!